Hey, we're here to do a cash stuffing. It is Thursday, September 5th. Hi, how are you? I love you. What's up? It's almost the weekend. Yes. All right. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Let's start with rollover. I feel like I just showed my license. Like I didn't really spend much. So we're gonna see. Let's do the change first though. And yeah, I literally have 20 cents. So let's see what kind of cash we're looking at. I do need to take some out of here. Let's see. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 84. That's a little less than I thought I'd have, but I need to take out 25 for bingo ticket. We're going to bingo, I don't know, next weekend, I think. It's like a fundraiser, and so that is to pay for my ticket. So 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, and $59 left. So as usual, this is going to go to the side, and I'm going to use that for savings challenges. We're done with the change jar. And let's just get on into it. We have 160 here today, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 160. And as usual, 150 just goes in the wallet, but I need to make a little change. This is my seasonal undated budget planner, and I had to scramble this morning to make my budget. Luckily, I had my monthly budget already prepared, but what I do after I create my monthly budget is I split it in half. Essentially, I get 2 paychecks, a month, so I just do half of everything in the first paycheck and then half of everything in the second paycheck, and then so I had my monthly budget done, again, luckily, but I had to scramble to make this because I had to get my son to school and then run to the ATM to actually get the money. So this is what we're doing today. We're doing a couple sinking funds, but like I said, I do need some cash. So I'm going to have to see if I can go into some of my binders here. And I am in a hurry to get this filmed because we have movers coming here today to give us like a quote on moving costs, and they're gonna be here in like 15 minutes, so I gotta get my butt moving. Let's see if I could find 20 in here to make change. So let me know how you all are. What's been going on? Okay, so I think we should be good here. 10, 15, and 20. So, whew. Luckily that worked out, but I'm running low on real cash. Now, I probably would have been able to do it in a savings challenge, but yeah. Okay, so let's see. 150 goes into the wallet, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, and 50, and then we just have $10 left in real cash, which is what we should have. So that is done. This video is now going to be a little bit all over the place, but let's get going. So Penelope, my dog, is going to get 10 bucks. That's going to be the last of this real cash. Not doing a whole lot of sinking funds today, as usual. Not a lot to go around now with my new budget, but at least I'm putting something, which makes me happy. So that's what matters. Even if you save $1, it's still $1 more, that you're saving. So let's put in the $10 here, and then let's see what we have. 100, 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 148. All right, so that is good. And then I need my prop money box. Okay, and then we're just doing a couple other sinking funds. So Christmas is going to get 20 and Prime is going to get 20. So let me pull the 40 out. And again, this is just prop money or fake money because I don't need this money now. It's just going to go right into my high yield savings account over at Ally. By the way, Ally has a referral program going on. My referral link is in the description below. Actually, by now it might even be expired. I don't know. But if you're interested in joining Ally and you use my referral link, I think you might get a little bit of a bonus. And then, of course, I get a bonus too. So, you know, if you've been thinking about taking the plunge and you decide to use my link, thank you very much. All right, 20 here going into Prime. Let me grab a marker really quick to color this in. And this little tracker I just made for myself very quickly over on Canva. This is the worst coloring job ever, but it's fine. And we are, it looks like, more than halfway there now with these savings. So $140 here. We have 20, 40, 60, and 80 bucks left until that's fully funded. Woo! I do $20 every month into this, and so it makes it much easier when these, you know, are due to pay. I have the money saved up. Okay, last but not least, we're doing 20 bucks into Christmas. Again, normally I do a separate Christmas binder stuffing video, but $20 is, you know, not much. So we're just going to throw it in. I don't know what we're going to, where we're going to put it, but let's take a look. Let's see if we can maybe finish out some of these. Okay, 11 and 9 is 20. Let's just do that, and then we'll be done with that. So this is the 25 envelope 25 envelope challenge, I call it. It's called 25 Days of Christmas, but again, it's 25 envelope. You're saving $1 all the way to $25, and we are getting so close on this one. Yes, I love it. So we're gonna add the 20. If I can get the paper clip back on, that would be wonderful. And then let's see where we're at with this one. All right, so in here we have 250, 70, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 295, and this is a $325 dollar challenge. So what? That's like $30 left. Wowza. Yes, we are almost done with that one. Okay, that's it, my friends. If you like the planner, it's linked below. It's available on Amazon. It is the planner that I created. I also have a neutral version. I know that was like a weird time in the video to say that, but I realized I forgot to say that earlier. Or did I say it? I don't know. But either way, if you made it to the real end, even though this was a shorty, a little quickie, let me know below. I love you. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the savings challenge video. Bye.